Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll learn what is phrase and clause and how to break down the sentence and make a syntax diagram in Seminary English Linguistic. So let's start. Okay, first we have to know the difference between phrase and clause, and we should know what is phrase and what is clause. Only then we'll be able to analyze the sentence in a syntax way. Okay, phrase is a group of words that either have subject or verb. At a time, we cannot find in a sentence in a group of words both subject and verb. If you learn phrase, so the totally opposite is the clause, which means in a group of words you will find both verb and subjects. You have to remember two things, that is verb and subject. If verb and subjects are present at a time in a group of words or in a sentence, that is clause. And if we don't have either, we have subject or verb, that will be phrase. Okay, we will see example. Like here you can see a sentence, the sun rises in the east. It's a complete sentence, right? But if you break down this sentence, we will come to know where a clause exists and where phrase exists, right? Okay, if we break like this the sentence, the sun rises. Here, the sun is subject, rises is verb. It means in a group of words we have both subject and verb at a time. That is clause. Okay, but if we break the sentence in another way, in rises in the east, or we say the sun. If you break the sentence in this way, so we'll come to know that this is just only a subject, and in these group of words we have only a verb. Then it becomes phrase, means a group of words where either we have subject and verb, not both the thing at the same time, that will be phrase. I hope it's clear. Now we will analyze how to break the sentence and make a tree diagram in syntax and linguistic. So we have the same sentence as we saw in the previous slide. The sun rises in the east. We will break the sentence. First, the sun rises. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Okay, we break the sentence. The sun. What is the? We use the in the these are the articles, which is also known as determiner. They are used before noun. Okay, keep in mind, articles also known as determiner and they are used before noun. So the sun is basically a noun phrase. Why we are calling it a phrase? Because we have only a subject, that is the sun. Okay, not verb at a time with this. In noun phrase, what we have? We have the, we have sun. And what is sun? Sun is noun and the is determiner. We can call it article as well. Article. Okay. This rises is a verb, simply verb phrase, and what we have in verb phrase, we have rises. Simple as that. And come to know the last part, that is in the east. In the east basically is a prepositional phrase. Why? Because we have in, if we were having on, over, across, so after that this all will consider as a noun, prepositional phrase. And this prepositional phrase telling the qualities of the verb, so we can call it adverb phrase, but you have to mention it as prepositional phrase. And this prepositional phrase, what we have? We have in, the, and east. What is in? In is preposition. And what is the? The is determiner, article. And what is east? This is a noun. I hope it is helpful to grasp the concept. If you still have any queries, you can ask in comment section down below and I'll answer. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.